Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Shreen. Today I'm going to be sharing some healthy tips which can leave you with a glowing and healthy skin. So the first tip would be adequate amount of sleep, which means 6 to 8 hours so that the body can repair. So the second tip would be to exercise regularly. So untuk exercise sekurang-kurangnya setiap hari untuk 30 minit or thrice a week for an hour. The third tip would be to manage your stress. Every one of us undergoes stress on a daily basis, but it's important to cope with it because it can lead to acne breakouts. The fourth tip would be to drink a lot of fluids, sekurang-kurangnya 3 liter sehari to keep your body hydrated. So the fifth tip would be to lead a healthy and balanced diet. Untuk kurangkan karbohidrat, lebihkan sayur-sayuran dan buah-buahan. I hope these tips would help you to have a glowing and healthy skin. Do visit us at Glojas for your glowing and healthy skin. Remember, Glojas brings out the best in you.